Hello everyone. In this MCO presentation, I talk about ARM processor. What is ARM processor? Where can we use ARM processor? And what is a ARM processor architecture family? Basically, madam, ARM means Advanced RISC Machine is a family of reduced instruction set of computer instruction set architecture for a computing processor configured for a various environment. We use ARM processor for a different type of environment device. First of all, ARM. ARM is Acron RISC Machine, started as a new powerful CPU design for the replacement of the 8-bit 6502 and Acron computer, where can be based on a Cambridge, UK 1985. First model had only a 26-bit program counter, limiting the memory space to 64-bit. Madam, not too much by today's standard, but a lot at that time. 1999 spin-off, ARM renamed Advanced RISC Machine. It changed their name Advanced RISC Machine from ARM. ARM now focus on embedded CPU cores. Basically, ARM now only focus on these CPU cores. What is the meaning of IP licensing? IP licensing, almost every silicon manufacturer sells some microcontroller with an ARM core, some even complete with their own design. Processing power with a low current consumption is a to good MIPF and watt figure and ideal for a portable device. That one third point is a compact memory. The compact memory of 16-bit opcodes. New core with added feature. That will a new core added feature. That one is the first is a Harvard architecture. Second one is a floating point arithmetic. Third one is a vector computing, and fourth one is a Java language. Madam, there have been a several generation of ARM design. The original ARM one used a 32 by internal structure of a address space that limited it to 64 MB of a main memory. This limitation was, madam, removed in the ARM V3 series, which has a 32-bit address space, and server additional generation up to ARMV remain 32-bit and 30-bit CPU. Madam, here she see RISC design. RISC design is a very few simple instruction. Second one is a load and store architecture. Like instruction operate on a register, not in a memory. Large register set. The design of RIC is a based on pipeline execution. We use a pipeline execution in RISC design. Although with some CISC touches, multiplication and load and store multiplier are complex instruction. Many cycle longer than regular and instruction. Madam, due to their low cost, minimal power consumption, and lower heat generation than their competitors, ARM processors are designed for a light, portable, battery-powered device, including smartphone, laptop, tablet computer, and other embedded system. Madam, uh, and any specific detail like conditional execution of all instruction, flex, altered or not data processing instruction, concurrent shift rotation. This is madam ARM pipelining example. The fetch, decoder, execution, use of fetch. What is fetch? Read op code from memory to internal instruction register. What do decoder? Decoder activate the appropriate control range depending on this activity. Execute. What is execute? To the actual processing. Execute do actual processing. Madam, basically the ARM is a 32-bit architecture, data size and instruction set. The basic ARM is a 32-bit architecture. When used in a relational to the ARM, byte means 8-bit. In ARM, byte means 8-bit, half word means a 60-bit, and word means a 82-bit. We use this in a ARM relation. Sir, most ARM implementation two instruction set, 32-bit ARM instruction set and 16-bit thumb instruction set. The ARM has a 7 operation mode, madam. First one is a user, unprivileged mode under which most tasks run. Second one is ma'am FIQ, entered when a high priority, mean a fast interrupt is a write. Third one is IRQ, entered when a low priority means a normal interruption is arrived. Fourth one is SVC, supervisor, entered on a rest and when a software input instruction is executed. Madam, again after then is abort. What is abort? Abort used for memory access violation. Use of abort is a memory access violation. Undef used to handle undefined instruction. One fourth one is a madam system. You know system using the same register as a user. Madam, ARM has a 37 register, all of which are 32 bits long. One dedicated program counter, one dedicated current program status register, third one five dedicated program status register, and 30 general purpose register. Ma'am, the current processor mode cover which of the server bank is accessible is a particular set of R0 to R12 register, a particular R30 and R40, the program counter R5, and the current program status register CPSR. And a privileges mode accept system can also accept a particular SPSR. And what is the SPSR? Madam, basically SPSR is a saved program status register that we can use in a ARM processor, or this is a register. Madam, after that we see about special registers. There are special registers, special function register, PC, program counter, any instruction with a PC as a destination register is a program branch. This is a use of it is a PC register. After then we see LR register, LR link register. LR register means link register. Save as a copy of a PC when executing the BL instruction. After then the stack pointer SP register. There is a no stack in the ARM architecture. Even so, R30 is a usually reserved as a pointer for the program managed stack. After then is a madam CPSR register, current program status register. Hold the visible status register. Madam, and last one is a SPSR special register. That means saved program status register that holds a copy of previous status register while executing exception or interrupt routines. After Madam, that is a program counter. When the processor is executed in the ARM state, all instructions are 32 bytes. All instructions must be world right. That all be must. Therefore, the PC value stored in bits and bits are 0. Due to pipelining, a PC point 8 bits ahead of the current instruction. Madam, due to this pipelining, PC only points 8 point ahead of the current situation, or at a 12 bytes ahead if current instruction included a register specified a shift. When the processor is executing in a thumb state, ma'am, it is the ARM state and that is a thumb state. In a thumb state, ma'am, all instructions are 60-bit bytes and all instructions must be half-word aligned. Therefore, the PC is a value stored in bits and bit 0 is a 0. That is a madam condition, execution and flags. Madam, here is a condition code. The 15 possible condition code are listed below. That is a madam 15 possible condition codes that we use in Note. AL is the default and does not need to be specified. Yes, AL is a default madam. Default code. That one is all code like EQ call equal Z is equal to 1 flag tested like CSHS unsigned higher or same C is equal to 1. We can see madam as a positive or 0 overflow greater or equal and etc. Madam, this is a user a sequence of a several condition instruction. Example of a condition execution. That is a madam data processing instruction. Madam, that is the barrel shifter. Logical left shift, arithmetic right shift, madam. That one is a logical shift right, rotation right, and rotation right extended. That is mm, some sample of this barrel shifter. The 5 samples. That is, madam, immediate constant. No ARM instruction can contain 32 byte immediately constant. Yes. The data processing instruction format is a 12-bit available for operand. Yes, ma'am. The data processing instruction format is a 12-bit in this ARM processor. Rule to remember is a 8-bit shifted by a even or 12-bit is a odd. That is a madam immediate constant. That is an example of it.